Hello people, today I wanted to explain to you what settings in OBS Studio I applied because I'm using a Yeti microphone and my gain is almost in the middle and I'm using I'm using one of the patterns on the right side. Not first one, not second, not third, but fourth pattern. But today I wanted to tell you what settings you can apply to remove background clicks and noise. When you click three dots, we have filters. What filters I added? I added noise suppression. Compressor, I haven't changed anything. According to gain option of Yeti microphone, I had default value like that. Compressor and noise gate, I didn't do anything, I just added from here. Compressor, gain, I think, no, noise gate, compressor, noise suppression. And after that, you should be able to have clean audio when you record a video tutorial. I hope you like my video tutorials, people. Not just tutorials, but this video tutorial. See you guys.